Hey, welcome back, Spain, to your Caribou Data Science channel. This is the evening of Tuesday, September the 14th here in Central Ohio. I'll give a big shout out, first of all, to what we got here? To the 8 people who watched this video yesterday. Thank you so much for all the 8 reviews. Of course, the request is always the same. Subscribe. Uh, if we have 8 views, then we need to have 8 likes to go along with the 8 views. And third, most important, click on that share button. Share the Caribou Data Science channel on this video on your social media accounts on Facebook, on Twitter, on emails and text messages. I'd appreciate it if you would share the channel on this video today. Let's go and take a look here. This is a reminder. Spain only records data Monday through Friday, so they add Saturday and Sunday's numbers onto Monday's numbers, which produces a slight spike, but nothing major. So what do we got here now? So you can see currently Spain has had 4.9 million cases, 85,393 deaths. Mortality rate going up simply means that the difference between cases and deaths is increasing. Hmm. Don't know what that is. Okay. But anyway, Spain, you can see here, here's the good news. Your COVID-19 deaths are continuing to decline. For September the 13th, you had 7,804 cases. Did I say deaths? Cases are continuing to decline. For the 7-day period ending September the 8th, you were averaging 1,429 cases. Now, your deaths are still relatively low. They do appear to actually be declining here. You had an increase in deaths in the first part of July, but now sometime around August, we're starting to see a slight decline in cases. Because on September the 13th, you had 103 deaths. And on September the 8th, for the 7-day period ending April or September the 8th, you were averaging 104 deaths per day. So now you can see this long declining pattern in cases here. Okay. Now there's something we need to remind ourselves of regarding vaccines. At least the vaccines in America. Okay. The vaccines in America will not keep you from getting COVID-19. What it can do and will do is it'll reduce the chances of you dying from COVID-19 by reducing the severity of the disease. But then again, here's the question: how many of these people here were vaccinated? What about these people who died? How many of these people were vaccinated? Okay. So weekly deaths remain fairly low. You have 2 weeks in a row now when deaths have declined. What about monthly cases? Well, you can see the last 2 months was a significant increase over the previous 4 months. Okay, it remains to be seen what is going to happen here in September. You're already close to halfway up this point right here. These are, of course, monthly cases. What about monthly deaths? Well, your monthly deaths are still relatively low. I mean, you had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months in a row when deaths decline. Now you see the spike back up here for August. It remains in September. It's already passed these 2 months right here. So it remains to be seen exactly what is going to happen here in the next month or so as far as COVID-19 data, number of cases and deaths for the country of Spain. But again, thanks so much to the, what do we say, the 8 people who watched this video yesterday. Thanks so much. Both the young people and the old people. I'd appreciate both of those groups of people, under 18, over 18. Of course, don't forget to click the subscribe button, the like button, and most important of all, don't forget to click that share button. Share this video on your Facebook and your Twitter account today. You can also share it on an email and text message by cutting and paste the link in there. Okay. Thanks so much for your time, Spain. We'll catch you tomorrow with an updated report.